In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Audio Mixer to OBS Studio Beginner's Tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have clean, reliable audio from your mixer feeding straight into OBS, ready for streaming or recording. Let's start at the very beginning, the physical connection. Take a USB cable and connect your audio mixer directly to your computer. Plug it into a reliable USB port, ideally on your computer, not a hub, to avoid power or dropout issues. Many mixers are class compliant, but if you're on Windows and your mixer's manufacturer provides drivers, install them first for best performance. Give the mixer a moment to initialize so your system recognizes it. Now open OBS Studio. On the main screen, focus on the bottom area where you'll see your scenes, sources, and the audio mixer. We'll add the mixer as a new source so OBS can capture it. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Audio Input Capture. This tells OBS you want to bring in a live audio device, like your mixer or audio interface, rather than system audio. Give this source a clear name, something like USB mixer or the model name, so you can recognize it later if your setup grows. Click OK to continue. A Properties window will appear. Open the device dropdown and look for your mixer or audio interface. It may show the brand and model or appear as a generic USB audio device, depending on the driver. Select it, then click OK. At this point, look at the audio mixer section in OBS. You should see the new source with a level meter moving when you speak into your microphone or play audio through the mixer. If you don't see activity, double check the mixer's USB connection, confirm that the correct device is selected in the source properties, and make sure the channel is routed to the mixer's main mix. Keep your gain staging healthy. Set input gain on the mixer so your loudest moments peak around the yellow on the mixer's meters without clipping, then fine-tune the fader for your new source in OBS so peaks land roughly between -12 and -6 decibels. This gives you headroom and a clean signal. A few quick tips to keep things sounding great. Avoid echo by ensuring you're not capturing the same microphone twice through desktop audio and your mixer source at the same time. If you hear doubling, mute the duplicate path. For consistent quality, do a short test recording in OBS and listen back on headphones before you go live. That's it. USB to computer, add audio input, capture, pick your mixer, and confirm signal. You're ready to stream or record with professional sounding audio in OBS.